Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this Litokam 2K Wi-Fi smart camera. So this is a good camera you can use for a baby cam because it has an IR blaster on it to get night mode videos. So these are all the features on it. It can go all the way essentially 360, turn around, and then go all the way down and up. So you can essentially cover most of a room or whatever area you're trying to cover. You can use pan and tilt using the app to move the camera around. It has a storage card. You can even do cloud storage. You just have to subscribe. You can talk back and forth, so you can do two-way audio, motion detection, and then you can obviously log into multiple cell phones. So if you have two parents or grandparents or whoever want to log in, they can watch the baby or whatever you're trying to watch. Okay, so there's speakers here, microphones. In the back here, you have the power. So it comes with a power adapter as well as a cable, USB-C cable, reset button on the back. Not much to it. It does come with this mount. So, and then the screws for the mount. So this is for the wall. But the mount has different angles. So with the screw, you can mount it like this. So it'll be like this on the wall. And then of course the camera itself can move around as much as you need it. And then this can be angled as much flat up or angled down if you have it on a, let's say, crib edge or something like that. So the mount is pretty useful, or you can just have it sitting like this on a couch or a table if it's sitting right next to the end table, sitting right next to a crib or something like that. So right now I don't have it turned on, but you can kind of see the image of my baby in the swing while he's sleeping. And let's go and plug it in, see what the quality looks like. So as you can see, once it's connected, I can go ahead and hit this button, and it's gonna have a encrypted connection, so nobody can hack into it and view your baby or your house or whatever it is. You can allow location if you want to. Once you're in, I'm right now zoomed to 2x, but you can change between SD and HD. You can zoom in or out. So let's go ahead and open up all these settings here. So you can see you can attach it to Alexa or Google Home. If you want to pull up the camera, just saying that Alexa pull up the camera, you can pull it up that way. As far as let's go and go widescreen mode. And in the widescreen mode, you can see you can zoom out as you need to or zoom in. This is just sitting on my windowsill. And then you can change the angle. Very easy here. You can turn it around all the way, and you can see the curtains behind the windowsill. And it goes essentially 360 degrees, so you don't actually have to move the camera to look around the house or wherever you have it placed. You can talk back and forth. You can actually take pictures or record a video. You just have to grant it access to your album, and then you can actually change, look at the pictures that you recorded. You can go into IR mode, which will, you can keep it on auto, so when it gets dark enough, it'll go into IR mode, or you can turn it on or off. So you can see now the IR blaster on the reflection of the window, and we can go back to auto mode. You can change the volume of the speaker through the app, and then various settings throughout. So this is a pretty comprehensive camera. It works really well. I'm using it as a baby camera, but you could use it as a security camera or a pet camera. I'm happy with this purchase. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.